Hey guys, welcome to this video lecture. In this video lecture, we are going to see how to create a non-equi join query. So till now, the kind of joins that we have seen, that is inner join, self join, outer join, left outer join, right outer join, and all the examples that we have seen, there we are equating two columns. So we are using equality sign. So let's write a simple example of equi join. So if the query is like select star from city comma country where city ID equals to 2. So this is the normal condition and this is the join condition. City dot country ID equals to country dot country ID. So if I execute this, it is going to return the matching records. Okay, so in this case, there is only one matching record. But if I modify the query, something like, then it becomes non-equi join query. So here we are not using the equality sign for the join condition. So here this is the join condition and we are definitely not using the equality sign. So we are using some other sign like less than, or we can even less than or equal to, or greater than or equal to, anything except equality. So if I execute this, it gives me a lot of records, and for all the records, city.country ID is always less than country.country ID. So you can compare these like that. So this is how we can write a query with non-equi join. So understand the difference. Equi join is a join query where the join condition has got equal to operator, and non-equi join is a query where join condition has got any operator other than equal to. So thanks a lot for watching this video lecture. Do let me know if you have any question, query or comment regarding with this video lecture. Thanks a lot once again, and I will see you next time.